So this is how I'm starting my Thursday morning. Woke up to a text message and email from my car. So it's got that fancy stereo on it. My back left tire is flat. Sure enough, it is. So I gotta go into Schwab, have them plug it. We're just gonna plug this in. Hoping this leak is small enough that it's not all gonna leak out. Of course, it's raining. Taking its sweet time, but once it hits 35 here, shut it off. We're at 35, just under 40. And now to go over to Schwab. There's the offender, ran over a screw it looks like. So they should be able to plug that. So I'm here a little early, but looks like we're going to be waiting for a little bit. So here's the invoice. Cost me exactly $0. Now Schwab is not the only company that's doing free flat repair and free air fills. But it's one of those things that they're doing it to kind of draw people into their stores. And I got to say that, I mean, their customer service was great. I didn't have any issues with the particular location that I went to. And I've gone there before just to have, you know, tires that were low on air to be refilled. And they've always been friendly. They always really stop whatever they're doing just to fill your tires up, which I always found it kind of interesting that they did that, because they act like that's the priority when they're in the middle of something else, changing tires or doing an alignment. They'll come running out and fill your tires up for you. So I got to say their customer service, like I said, was just really good, and I will definitely be going back there for tires in the future when I need them. Now, people do say that Schwab's a little bit more pricey, and they are right, at least compared to another brand that I've shopped at before over the years is America's Tire. And I've compared the prices between the two, and America's Tire is only like $40 or $50 cheaper for the car in this video. So it's not really all that much. And plus, Schwab does alignments as well, so that's always really convenient. Some of these other places you go to for tires, they don't do alignments. So after you're done with the tires, you got to go get the car aligned, or at least you should. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video on my experience with Schwab, and I'm definitely happy with them. So stay tuned for more.